Hey everyone, it's Amit here from Analyst Canvas. We're going to quickly go through the process of using the Cloud Automation Service to move data from Canvas Desktop to Canvas Online. Let's start by making a quick data source. I'm going to use Google Analytics. You guys can use whatever makes sense for you. Finally, here we go. So you're probably going to use Bing Ads or Google Ads, but I don't have much in there that I want to show, so I'm just going to use something very quick here. The query itself doesn't matter. It's the process that we're going to go through that actually matters. So this is just landing some data. All right, now that we have some data on our canvas, we are going to push this data into a cloud table output. So let's right click, go to Add Export Block and Analyst Canvas Cloud Table Upload. We can also go to the block library. Down under the export blocks, we'll find the same block there. You could drag and drop that onto the canvas. Simply connect the dots. All right, when I click on the center of the block, it brings up the control. Here I say Create New Cloud Table. It's going to ask me to log in. Same username and password as you use in Canvas Online. All right, pick my data location. Let's go say the US. I can change the icon. So this is a GA one, so I'm going to choose Google Analytics, but use the icon that best represents your data source. You can give it a name and then a description. GA for demo query. Make sure it makes sense for you so that you know what this table is going to be used for. Okay, I have it set to overwrite, so it's going to do a full overwrite each time. We also have the option to do an incremental load. So if we have a date field in our query, we can first do the historic load and then change this to a incremental load. So just very quickly, I'm going to show you that. Let's go back and get the last 365 days worth of data. I'm going to write that to the output. I just right click on the block, write data to output. Now the full 365 days are there, so the history is there. I can change this to an incremental load period. I'm going to say, give me the last 5 days, and I'm going to run this daily, right? So now here I'm going to check this box that says delete data in master date range before upload, okay? And the date column is the only date column here. So it's going to use that for creating the upload. All right, I'm then going to save the file. Okay, with the file saved, I now go to Cloud Automation. I say New Package. Find that same file. Okay, no passwords are required. Now we just set the schedule. You do have to click Add Time. All right, give it a time to run. So I'm going to say run at 7 a.m. And then if anyone needs to be notified if the job does not succeed, you would add their name here. So I'm going to add myself. That's it. Just like in Canvas Online, under Cloud Automation or under the Automation menu, you'll see a very familiar interface here. This file is in sync, which means the file from my local machine is in sync with the one that's in the cloud, and it's just going to run every day now at 7 a.m. Now let's go to Canvas Cloud and pick up this data set. So here I am in Canvas Cloud. I'm going to go to just go to a new canvas here. All right, and then here I'll just grab a table. And there's that query. I can bring that onto my canvas. It's also going to be found in my tables menu. Right there, and this icon indicates that it's from a cloud table. Okay, clicking on the table itself gives me the details of the table, tells me where it came from, right, whose machine, what time, what was the write mode when it came up. I've got the full version history here as well. So tomorrow when it runs, it's going to be at version 2, etc. All right, that concludes the demo. If you have any questions about how this works, please feel free to get in touch. Thanks.